back to my channel. It's your girl Charisse Rochelle, and today we're going to be doing a little baking. First of all, if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends and let me know what you think in the comments at the end. If you've watched my previous videos, thank you, and thank you for returning to watch this one. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I used to bake quite a lot, but then I started to diet, so I stopped. But since this lockdown's happened, I've decided to start up again. So today I have found a new recipe that I've never tried before. Usually I just do cakes. So today I'm going to be trying something totally new. So it's going to be on camera so you guys can see whether it goes well or whether it doesn't. That's totally fine. Whether it goes well or whether it doesn't, it will be recorded so you guys will be able to see, and I will talk you guys step through what I'm doing so that you guys can follow it at home. And if you followed it at home, let me know in the comments how it went, if it went well for you, if it was easy to follow, if it didn't go so well. Show me your finished products. But yeah, so today, you might have guessed it from the title, we are going to be making donuts. Homemade donuts. If you ever walk past, like when you're in town or at the fun fair and you've seen a donut stand and you're thinking, oh, that smells delicious, they smell amazing, and then you buy them and then they're not actually that nice. Well, today I'm going to make them so that they smell delicious and hopefully they're going to taste delicious as well. So let's get into it and we shall see how it goes. First of all, we add 250 grams of plain flour, then half a teaspoon of salt and 70 grams of cold butter. I usually use stalk butter when I'm baking because it tastes nicer and it's easier to work with. Next you add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now you mix all the ingredients together so that it becomes like a breadcrumb texture. Slowly mix in 170 millilitres of milk and mix until it becomes a firmish kind of dough. You may not need to use all the milk. Once you've created your dough, take your rolling pin and roll your dough out into about a 1 centimetre thickness. Once you've rolled out your dough, get a circle shaped cutter. I didn't have any circle cutters, so I've used a glass. And cut your circles out of your dough. Once you've cut all your circles, get a smaller circle cutter and cut out the middle of your donut. For this, I have used a small shot glass measurer. Once you've cut all your shapes, heat some oil in a pan and get ready to slide your first donut in. you nearly destroy the kitchen, don't forget to keep changing the side of your donut in the oil every so often. You can put a few in at a time. This will speed up the process of the cooking. And then fry your donuts until golden brown. Once your donuts are finished frying, remove them from the oil and place them on a kitchen roll tissue to take off any excess oil. You can also use this moment to dip them in your favourite topping. The toppings I'm using today is cinnamon and caster sugar. Mix them together in a bowl and then you can use this to dip your donuts in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see any donuts that you guys have tried to make. Bye!